Hello guys, hello, how are you? Copyright वाली, copyright। बैकग्राउंड नॉइस आ रहा है ना? ये तो फिर आप ये वाला निकालो। हेलो हेलो हेलो। हेलो हेलो हेलो। सर आपने वो सप्रेशन किया था ना, उससे इफेक्ट पड़ा है मुझे लग रहा है। उसको और करिए ज़रा सप्रेशन वाले को। माइक पे मत बोलिए।
Hello. So today we are going to make a new project which is related to OLED, and we use pot. Hello. So today we are going to make a new project.
Okay. Okay. So guys, right now what we are doing here, basically as you can see, this is our OLED display. You can see, and using this OLED display, what we are going to do, we are going to just guys, right now what we are doing here, we are going to use this OLED display for making a speedometer. So we are going to embed this OLED display on our breadboard. So as you can see in this OLED display, like there are 4 pins are available: VCC, GND, SCL, SDA. So like whenever SCL, SDA pins are available on any display, so that means I2C. Uh, this is a I2C module, I2C based module, and so we are going to connect this OLED display with the Arduino and with our potentiometer also. So we are going to uh, insert this OLED display in our breadboard, and as you know, like most of the time VCC of any module, we connect it with a 5 volt. So right now, as you can see, I'm we are going to connect here VCC module, VCC with the 5 volt and GND with the GND. So the we are connecting it on horizontal rail of the breadboard. So we use male to male jumper wire for connecting it. So as you can see, this gray color wire is connected with VCC and white color wire is connected with GND. So VCC will be connected to the 5 volts and GND will be connected to the GND. Okay, and SCL, SDA will be connected to the as you know, SCL will be connected to the A5 of Arduino. SCL will be connected to the A5 and SDA will be connected to the A4. So the OLED displays connections are done. Okay, now the remaining is that our potentiometer. So as you can see, these potentiometers are having 3 pins. One is for connecting with voltage, another is for connecting with GND, and the mid of the pin will be connected to the it will be taking the uh, inputs from the Arduino. So like we are going to connect with analog pin. So any analog pin we can use. So directly we are inserting it in our breadboard, and we will be using 3 male to male jumper wires. Okay, so male to male jumpers wires are those wires on the both end there is metallic tip. Okay, you can see on the male to male jumper wire there is a metallic tip on the both end. So we are connecting this one with our male to male jumper wire with potentiometer. Okay, so three wires we need to connect with potentiometer because it will require three wires. So I am taking one more male to male jumper wire from here. So three male to male jumper wires we have inserted it in our breadboard, and so the mid terminal of potentiometer is we have to connect with analog pin, and the rest we need to connect with V 5 voltage, and another with the GND. Okay, so the connections are done. Let's connect our uh, let's upload the code. Okay, for making this speedometer. Okay, as you can see the code is uploaded right now, and let's test it how it's working. Okay, let's test it. It will be working or not. Let's try to rotate the knob of this potentiometer. So as you can see right now I'm rotating the knob. So as you can see this in this speedometer, like it is showing the display. Basically we have made a gauge and a progress bar. Okay, so every time I'm rotating it, it's showing the progress. Okay, let's test it again. Okay, so right now as you can see, every time we are rotating this potentiometer, it's changing its values. So yeah, this is our today's project, working with the OLED display and potentiometer. Yeah, I hope you all can see like wires are not disturbing here. Okay, okay, so I guess it's working fine. There is no lag using this OLED display, I guess. So like every time when we use breadboard, so like using breadboards, there is a you can say advantage with us, like there should no connection problem occurs. Okay, that's fine. Okay. uh, so right now what we are going to do, we are going to test this whole project in our Vokvi software. This is an online circuit simulator software. So we need to use uh, Arduino. So we have chosen an Arduino board from here, and we are starting it from scratch. So uh, it's a scratch Arduino board. You can see only single scratch is here. So as you know, like we have tested, we have connected all these like OLED display and potentiometer with the Arduino. So we need to use here from plus button, we need to select OLED. Okay, and the second thing we need to select the pot. Okay, so as you know, like we had connected the VCC point of this OLED display to the 5 volt. So similarly, we are connecting it, and the GND of this OLED display, we have to connect it with GND, the SCL of this OLED display should be connected to the A5, and SDA should be connected to the A4. Yeah, the connection of OLED display is done. Similarly for the port also, the GND should be connected to the any GND. There are three GNDs in Arduino board, so you can connect it with any GND. And VCC should be connected to the, you can connect it with 5 volts. I am connected with 5 volts also. And the pin signal pin we had chosen it with the A0. So A0, we have connected all the circuits over here, and right now we need to upload the code over here, but we need to adjust some libraries. So like there is a library manager option is here, so we need to install a library here uh, with the name of U8 library, something like that. There is a libraries option. Okay, let's see what was the library. U8 glib. Okay, so U8 glib library, it's added. Okay, again coming to the sketch.ino, and I'm uh, copying the whole code and pasting it to the VoKV sketch option. Okay, all the code of this project will be available on IoT Web Planet blog post, so you can download this whole code from there. Okay, so let's test if it is working or not. Okay, so start the simulation button. Okay, again press the start simulation button. Sometimes due to some server lag of this VoKV interface, projects does not start on time. So let's test it. Let's test if it's working or not. Okay, it's taking time. Build server failure error. Again press start simulation. Okay, now as you can see, like the display is on, and try to rotate this potentiometer. Okay, right now it's moving. You can see the gauge is also working fine and the progress bar is also working fine. Okay, perfect, perfectly working. Okay, thank you so much for watching this project, and also you can make this project for your future applications also. क्या कर रहे हैं? Yeah, so that is fine.